Your crisis response plan looks perfect on paper, but what happens when the room gets loud and a real cyber attack is unfolding? IT scrambles in one corner, security works in isolation, and business leaders are left in the dark. Most organizations only discover their playbooks don't work when it's too late, during an actual attack. Group IB's Tabletop Exercises bring real-world threat scenarios into your conference room before a crisis happens. Using Group IB's global threat intelligence and incident response expertise, your team practices critical decision-making and communication skills as attacks unfold. These exercises run on Group IB's proprietary simulation platform. Scenarios include timers, evolving events, and realistic triggers. Facilitators guide participants and evaluate decisions in real time, watching how your security team coordinates with IT, how management responds under pressure, and where communication breaks down. Each session ends with a detailed report and practical recommendations to strengthen your actual response capabilities. Assess your team's crisis readiness before reality does. Learn more about Group IB's Tabletop Exercises at the link in the description.